Established in 2003, when there was a wave of foreign investment from Japan and other industrialized countries into Vietnam, SEICO is an enterprise specializing in designing, manufacturing and constructing steel structures and steel buildings in varied industries for civil, transportation, trade and national defense purposes nationwide. SEICO is a reliable partner for many construction companies and big investors in the world. After more than 15 years of establishment and development, SEICO has carried out over 900 industrial projects and 100 commercial projects for varied clients from Japan, Korea, China, and Vietnam. Now, SEICO owns 4 manufacturing plants equipped with the latest and most advanced technologies in the world, providing over 60,000 tons of steel structures and 2 million square meters of roof and wall panels, millions of square meters of floor panels, and just stick reinforced concrete slabs together, 13 million liters of paint every year. SEICO is a unit which always aspires to creativity, sustainability, professionalism. In SEICO, one of the most important steps is to listen to the needs and receive the orders of our customer with care before a project starts. SEICO, the staff, spend a lot of time working alongside with our customers to clearly understand the needs and wants, thereby providing suitable consultation and offering the most effective implementation plans for each project. SEICO takes pride in our large number of projects with optimal design solutions offered by our design team who are experienced, qualified, professional, and are continuously striving to enhance their knowledge and skills. SEICO not only always respects our employees but also pays attention to the development of our human resources, which consists of highly disciplined professional team with fierce working spirit from many prestigious universities in the country and around the world. The entire design process is performed on specialized software and carefully checked in details. SEICO uses new cutting-edge software such as SAP, Tekla, and AutoCAD, etc., while at the same time applying internationally designed standards such as ANSI, AISC 36010, and ASCE at EI 710. SEICO provides customers with the highest degree of satisfaction and absolute peace of mind about its design quality and suitability for on harsh weather and environmental conditions. In a highly saturated and competitive market as it is today, SEICO is confident that we could satisfy all customers, even the most fastidious, with our product quality. Our products are strictly controlled from the designing stage. With modern manufacturing plants and skilled employees who have received training in steel structures in Japan and Korea, SEICO is confident that the company now produces the highest quality products in the market. The production process is planned in details with high accuracy as soon as information from the designer department is sent. When it comes to selecting suppliers of our input materials, SEICO only selects reputable suppliers who are able to meet the project standards. The quality and quantity of materials are always carefully checked before entering our production plants. In order to produce products with the highest quality standards, production lines at SEICO plants are continuously upgraded and improved. The production process at the plants is the most important because the accuracy and quality of the components and the completion of a pre-engineered steel building project is entirely determined by the production process. SEICO always carefully check the output quality from the welds on the coat board to the coating. Before the construction materials leave the plants, they must undergo a number of strict and carefully inspection steps. One of SEICO's core values is to never stop innovating and being creative to provide the best products and services to our clients, which has helped SEICO receive prestigious awards and customer recognition. With the aspiration and enthusiasm of youth, together with the company development strategy based on sustainable professionalism, SEICO aims to become the leading supplier of construction solutions for production plants in Vietnam, contributing to the development of the image of a successful Vietnamese enterprise in the eyes of international friends.
Và SEICO